guys, it's Angel. Today we're going to be making an Asian cucumber salad, which is a light and refreshing appetizer. If you guys have been to Tai Fung before, this is a very similar copycat recipe. It's super delicious. The cucumber is very crisp and tasty. So if you guys are interested in learning how to make Asian cucumber salad, keep watching. For the ingredients, we will need 2 Persian cucumbers, and if you can, try to pick 2 cucumbers that are similar in size. Next, we'll need 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. We'll also need some sesame oil. I use about 1 teaspoon, a drizzle of chili oil if you like it spicy, a 1/4 teaspoon of cane sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So first we're going to chop our cucumbers. So I'm just going to put both of them side by side. That way we can get even cuts. The more even the slices of cucumbers are, the better presentation points you'll get. Once you're done cutting, put your cucumbers into the bowl. Now let's mince our garlic. If you like yours garlicky, use 2 cloves. I'm going to use 1.5 cloves. Also note, if you do like to eat garlic cloves whole, what you can do is cut small garlic pieces for presentation. I'm just going to slice maybe 2 to 3 slices of pieces like this, and we'll put those directly into the bowl. Put the garlic in the garlic mincer. Now we'll add 1/2 teaspoon of salt directly over the cucumbers. And give that a quick stir. Make sure the salt and the garlic are mixed really well, and then we're going to put this in the refrigerator and let that chill for at least 20 minutes, but sometimes I like to go an hour for that extra flavor. Okay, this is about 1/2 hour later, and just so you guys can see, the salt has really drawn out the liquid and the water from the cucumbers. Now we'll want to give this a quick rinse under the sink, and that's just to remove all the excess salt. The salt has already been absorbed into the garlic and the cucumbers, so now we're just removing the excess. Garlic keystone. 30-second rule. It's okay, guys. My sink's clean. I washed it the other day. Now that we're done rinsing, we can go ahead and add our finishing ingredients. The first thing that we'll be adding is 1/4 teaspoon of cane sugar. Sprinkle that on top. Next, we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. And finally, if you like your spicy, a little bit of chili oil. Just a little drizzle. Mix that all together really well. Okay, now we're done mixing, and you have 2 options. The first thing is you can serve this right away, or you can put this in the fridge and keep this overnight. And that just lets the flavors absorb even more. But personally, I like to eat mine right away. We're ready for the taste test. I'm gonna get a small piece of cucumber. Wow. It was super crunchy. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but very crisp, very delicious and garlicky. Put a lot of garlic in there, but I love garlic. this Asian cucumber salad was super quick and easy to make, and it makes a great appetizer. I think it tastes very similar to Ding Tai Fung's cucumber salad recipe. I'm Angel, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you do end up making this cucumber salad recipe, don't forget to post in the comments and let me know how you liked it. And as my grandpa would say, sharing a meal with a fascinating stranger is one of life's true delights. So until we can share that meal together, or the appetizer, take care, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!